If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat filter problem, you've come to the right place. So sometimes you won't be able to use filters, you won't be able to find filters. And as you can see, now I can easily swipe and I have all the filters I can use. I can add location, I can add different effects and some other stuff. So how can you do the same? How can you fix this problem? Basically, we need to close this Snapchat because in this case, we need to do some other stuff on our phone. And firstly, check your internet connection, because if you don't have like Wi-Fi or mobile data, you won't be able to use the filters on Snapchat. The next step we need to do is that we need to open the App Store and here search for Snapchat directly. So we need to open the Snapchat app page. And here we need to find, do we have the latest version of Snapchat? So if you have update button, click on it and download the latest version. Because if you don't have the latest version, sometimes you won't be able to use some features from Snapchat, for example, filters. And the next step, the last one, we need to open settings and then scroll down. So on the iPhone it looks like this, on the Android the navigation could be a little bit different, but you need to find the Snapchat page, the Snapchat settings. And here make sure that the background app refresh feature is turned on, so it's really important as for the filters, and also turn on location at least while using the app. So if you'll turn it on, we'll be able to add location, we'll be able to use some other filters related to our location and so on. So basically, this is the way of how can we fix a Snapchat filter problem. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.